Okay. I keep turning the camera off with my finger hitting the buttons here. I'm going to try and do a little bit better job. We haven't gone anywhere farther yet. I saw this guy and I wanted to get a closer look. And I fat fingered the whole thing. This guy, I don't know what kind of mushroom he is. We'll find out when we get back. We have an ever-building database of ecology on the property. This knoll here goes up and around where irrigation comes through. This is a really fun part of the trail. We are at the bottom of the south face. Come up around here. And this we have wide enough for small vehicles, horses and such. That is the old 3-foot wide homestead trail that goes all throughout the valley. I will head this direction for a short period just to denote this is one of the natural delineations of the park line, even though technically the line is over there on that knoll, but this is part of the aesthetic. You see up on top there the laurel hanging over. That is below the garden. That up there is patio and grotto. And Wolf's Garden goes all the way over there, all the way around the corner, and all the way up to the second lip. It's 30 acres. The garden's 30, I think the garden's 30 acres on just that lip face in between those two, the overhang and the lip face. Sorry, I'm having a hard time describing it. Much easier to just show it. Anyway, walking this direction is easier to get to the vertical path that goes straight back to farmhouse, rather than having to take the other half of 3-hour tour going back through the bottom of Deepa Glade, Cedar Creek campsite, and then up Ascension to Waterfall, and then back down Trunk Road to farmhouse. This is just a straight shot. Now, you remember those figures I quoted to you that are probably completely wrong? I'll have to give the appropriate numbers, but I know I'm close. It'd be great if I had an elevator. A little dumbwaiter elevator, that'd be super. But I guess that would kind of take away from the experience. I'm sure moving into the bold future, we will have all kind of technological opportunity. So who knows if we can make more convenience and effort with less impact. I'm all for it. But I have no interest in progress for progress' sake. Alright, we're almost there. We've already risen several hundred feet from the valley floor. I shouldn't say several hundred. I'm probably just now getting to somewhere around 200. But every day's leg day. Now, You can see that up through that trail there, it has eroded away, but there was a switchback that followed this little mound right here to a cut in the rock where they used to take the carts. Tree fell down from here at some point. Tree gone. Hole is still here. There's our lovely briars. We've reached that elevation. All right, you can see the cart path there in front of us and up the rocks. Now, most of this over here is eroded. You can barely make it out. But it does make a followable Morse code style dotted line to indicate that it definitely existed. All right. And we're most of the way up. Alright. This is one of the many bluffs. And take a break. Hi. I'm going to wipe my brow. Pardon me. While I pause. Oh my goodness. Every day's leg day. I don't know if I can... What is this? I don't know what this little button does right here. Apparently it doesn't do anything. Alright, well, I was going to try and get a selfie. No idea, I'm going to look like a jackass. I apologize about my language if kids are watching. Bye. I'll try and edit that out.